Boarded. How much did you wager? 10,001. So he finishes with 22,001. He has a $1 lead over super champion Adriana Harmeyer. Did she know it was North Korea? She's also correct. Did she wager $1? 3,000 takes her to an even 25,000, and it makes her our first Tournament of Champions finalist. Congratulations, Adriana. And the semifinals to be tomorrow and Thursday. You won't want to miss it. We'll see you right back here.
News Channel 3 protects and alerts you at 11.
Freezing rain is on the way Wednesday night and Thursday morning. All the look at the impacts coming up tonight.
Plus, how will the tariffs impact area businesses? We'll have reaction. News Channel 3 protects and alerts you at 11.
Food safety.
Tonight at 11.
Welcome to the most honest commercial you've ever seen. Not the cleanest, just the most honest.
Today, we're fixing a home's foundation.
I mean, that is like the most common thing to see in the world.
Pretty common, yeah.
Right.
So it's the soil that's eroding away, causing those cavities, those voids that the foundation then wants to settle in.
And then you guys, your superhero tapes, show up and fix it.
Get a free and honest inspection with Foundation Systems of Michigan, a groundworks company.
What Robinson Dental does really well is working people in no matter what.
Toothing is no joke. No one goes to bed at night thinking, I want to wake up in the morning with an abscess or a swollen face. We have 3 large facilities encompassing the greater Grand Rapids area. We're setting aside a time